Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prioritizing chocolate quality and accurate weights. This shapes texture and flavor immediately. Melt 70% dark chocolate with 1/2 cup butter gently. Use a double boiler or low heat so the cocoa stays glossy and emulsifies with the fat. Once melted, whisk in 150 g sugar to dissolve. This controls crumb and shine. Meanwhile, measure 120 g flour and sift it. Folding later prevents gluten overdevelopment. Make sure to preheat oven to 175 degrees and prepare a parchment-lined pan for even baking and easy removal. You focus on structure and mouthfeel in the middle steps because timing and technique determine fudgy versus cakey brownies. Beat 2 whole eggs plus 1 yolk until slightly thick. This traps air for lift. Then temper them by slowly whisking in a little warm chocolate so eggs don't scramble. Once combined, fold wet into sifted flour in 3 additions. Stop as soon as streaks disappear to avoid gluten formation. If you want more complexity, fold in 2 tablespoons extra cocoa for intensity or 1/2 cup chopped nuts for texture contrast. You finish by nailing bake time and cooling, since residual heat finishes the crumb. Bake at 175 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. A toothpick should come out with moist crumbs, not raw batter, because carryover cooking firms the center. Once done, cool in the pan for 1 hour, then chill 20 minutes to set clean edges before slicing. If brownies come out dry, make a quick simple syrup and brush slices, or pour a thin ganache over the top to restore moisture and gloss. That fixes dryness fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.